Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pratika and today I'm going to be reviewing the nail strips from Nailsicle. So Nailsicle is a brand in Singapore and they ship worldwide and their shipping is super fast, so you can receive it in like 10 to 14 days depending on where you are. These nail strips last for around 10 to 14 days and you don't even need a top coat to top it up with, so that's pretty amazing. And now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first up, their packaging is super cute and you get 20 different nail wraps in 10 different sizes. So you will get at least 4 different manicures if you're doing just one hand, and it's pretty amazing because they come in various different sizes. So it's super easy to use as well as to store because these nail wraps come between 2 laminated film. So first of all, you need to remove the clear cover, and once that's done, you need to select the size for your nail, and then you can gently remove the nail wrap using an orange stick and then start placing it on your nail. So you need to start from your cuticle and then just align it and press it down. You can also give it a little bit of stretch to fit your nail. So the excess of the nail wrap can be pinched and placed below, and then using a nail file you can file it out. So you do not get a nail file with this set, you need to have a nail file of your own, but for the price I guess this is a pretty good set. So the best part about these nail strips is that you can stretch them a little bit more to just fit your nail perfectly, and it's not so easy to tear even though they're really thin. So absolutely love them, and they have gorgeous designs on their site. I'm going to be putting a link to these products in the description box below, and you can also check out their site. This design is called MOONBOW. I'm going to be putting the name and the price on the screen right now. So this needs zero dry time, you don't have to wait for it to dry. Each nail is going to have a different design and it looks absolutely stunning. And you don't even need to apply a top coat. So this design that I have here is kind of like a matte finish, so it looks really beautiful. So that's how easy it is to apply these nail wraps, and it's super easy to remove. You just need to use a nail polish remover because these are real nail polish. That's how it finally looks like, and each of these designs are super cute and very unique. I'm absolutely in love with them, and it's so hassle-free to apply. So if you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment box below, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to not miss any videos. And you can follow Nailsicle on Instagram and also follow me on Instagram at cutenailart96. I still have the giveaway going on Instagram. So that's all for today's video. See you on the next one.